Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you. Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think you'll have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much left.
Dito tayo guys sa Japan Sofia. Look at that dog lover. Cabinet. Hello Kitty was club. Ganun ba? Nagbilang na ba siya? Ayan. Ito nabili namin sa original buko pie. Pinili namin buko kasaba pie. And then what is this one? Shingiling, shingiling-ling, shingiling-ling, shingiling-ling. Tapos kasaba. Orange kasaba. Kasaba chips. And banana chips. Try lang namin kung masarap. Masharap. All over the place. No? And Espasol. Espasol. Try namin. Buko kasaba pie. Meron doon yung buko pie. Diba? Specialty na yung buko pie. Mainit-init pa siya. Very warm. Bagong luto. Ito guys, binili ko sa Japan Surplus. Parang keyring sa ganda niya. 50 pesos. And then elephant. Natawaran siya dating 250, naging 200. Marami silang mga babasagin. Mahirap naman yung bibili ng babasagin. Tapos ito 30 pesos na lang daw siya. Parang parang apat binili ko. 4 pieces. For watching, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Bye, love! Bye! Thank you sa mga manonood, and thank you sa mga member ko, si Aisel Gallardo, Missy Mern, Lisa E. Vlog. Thank you guys. Bye! God bless! Bye. Thank you guys sa mga members ko, kay Sis Dali Andrada, Missy Merns, Aisel Gallardo, and Lisa Vlog. Thank you guys. More blessing to come. Please support their channel. Thanks. Cut.